In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of conducting the calculations for an independent sample t-test based on the definitional formula. And here is the definitional formula of the independent sample t-test, which I mentioned in the textbook is designed for testing the difference between two means from a between subjects design. We can see here at the top, you've got the mean 1 minus mean 2, and that's in the numerator. And then we've got a divisor here. In the denominator term is the standard error of the difference between two means, which is the variance divided by n1 and variance 2 divided by n2. And that's summed together and square rooted. So how did I apply that in the case of the perceived intelligence between people wearing glasses and people not? Well, here we've got the means in the numerator, 4.025, minus 4.425 for people who are wearing glasses, divided by the square root of the variance, 0.589, divided by the sample size of group 1, plus the variance of group 2 divided by the sample size of group 2, and it happened to be equal in this study. It can be unequal, but in this case, it's equally sample sized study. So then I worked out the numerator difference, which amounted to negative 0.400, and then I divided by the square root of, I'm working out this portion now, 0.589 divided by 40 equals 0.0147, and 0.661 divided by 40 equals 0.0165. I still have the square root there, haven't done that yet. And then when I square rooted the sum of these two values, I got the standard error of the difference between two means, which is equal to 0.177. And I still have the numerator here, the difference of 4.025 minus 4.425. And when I divided these two values, I got the independent sample t-test value of negative 2.260. Now that's the calculated t-value, and as I write in the textbook, that then needs to be referenced against the distribution, which is known as the t-distribution, to evaluate the probability with which you might get a t-value that size, if not bigger, under the expectation that the null hypothesis is true. And so once you've done these calculations, you have a little bit more work to do, but it's not too hard, and I encourage you to persevere.